Caitlin, and today we're going to go over how to tune your violin. Now, there are two ways to tune your violin. We have the tuners up here. We also have the fine tuners down here. These tuners make big changes. These tuners make small changes. I recommend getting really familiar with how each string should sound so your ear can start to pick up on whether it's close to the right note or really far away. Right now, my violin is in tune, so I'm going to play each string for you to hear. We have the first string, the E string. The second string, the A string. The third string, the D string. And the fourth string, the G string. Alright, now that you kind of hear where the notes are supposed to be on your violin strings, you should get out a tuner. Some people have physical tuners. I use a tuning app on my phone, but since I'm recording on my phone, I am going to use an online tuner. There are lots of great tuners out there that all work really amazing. So I'm going to adjust my violin so that nothing is quite right. Now, let's see what happens when I'm not in tune. We'll start with the A string. It's almost there, but you see it's just a little too high. Because it's just a little out of tune, I'm going to use my fine tuners. I'm going to go lefty-loosey so I can lower the note. I recommend bowing on the string while using the fine tuner so you can hear the adjustments as you make them. Boom, we're in tune now. Now let's try the D string. Ooh, we can see that is really low. It even tells you what note I'm playing, which is not even D at all. If you look, I'm playing C sharp. Now, C sharp is just below D, so that means I gotta get higher. That might be too big of a jump to use the fine tuning pegs. And if you try to adjust the fine tuning pegs that much, you're gonna end up tightening them all the way, and then you're just gonna have to loosen them again so you have more room to tune it next time. So we're gonna use the big guys now. It's important to be really careful when using these tuning pegs. These make really big adjustments, so only move it a little bit at a time and you'll hear a big adjustment made when you move them. The other thing you want to make sure about is you add a little bit of pressure pushing in as you tune. These are not like guitar tuners. So if you turn it without pushing in, it's actually going to snap right back and your string's going to be completely loose. So it's going to be even harder. I will pluck the string for the big tuning pegs as I tune it. Gonna go righty-tighty. Just tuned it a little bit. Okay, now I'm close to the note. So I could keep messing around with this peg to get it completely right, but now I'm going to go ahead and try the fine tuning pegs. You can also hear me check the A string. Sometimes as you tune one string, another one will get a little out of place, so I like to go back and check. Now let's try the G string. This one's very out of tune, so we're going to use the big tuning pegs. I'm going to use small adjustments. Pressing in as I go. Alright, I'm pretty close, so I'm going to use the fine tuning pegs to do the rest of the work. Going back to just the D. Let's go ahead and check that A string too. Still good. And finally, let's see how that E string sounds. wooey. I did not mean to make it that out of tune, but let's go ahead and tune it. I could go ahead and use my big peg for this one as well because it's just about as low as the other ones. Let's see what it takes to just use the fine tuning pegs to get it to the right note. Check the A, the D, the G, the E, if you need help, please reach out, ask some questions, look up some more videos, keep trying. Remember my advice, go gentle on the big pegs, they make big adjustments. You press in as you turn. These little guys will help you make the small adjustments. Righty-tighty, that makes it go higher. Lefty-loosey, that makes it go lower. Another trick is if it's stuck and you're trying to go up, you can also loosen it a little bit and then go up again. Good luck out there, and happy tuning. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky.